Good afternoon and welcome to Trader Day, guys. My name's Aaron. I'm one of the senior traders here, and I'll be taking you through today's video. Essentially, today's video is going to be a monthly review of the longer term trades that have triggered this month. We've had 3 trades in total, and for an excess of 150 pips. What I'm going to do in a moment is explain to you exactly how those trades have triggered. The 3 trades we had the cable trade, we had the CAD trade, and we had the Aussie trade. The CAD and the Aussie obviously I explained to you in the last video. I just want to bring in the cable in this video as well, just to sort of bring the month to an end here. So what I've done is I've clicked on the LTA archives and I've brought us to the 22nd when the trade was given. The trade was given just in here, the new trades of the day. You can see cable trade update, long cable 30.75. It has trade has hit the nearest zone at 30.78. Alright, it is now live. So if we go to the chart and we have a quick look at that, we'll be able to see on the chart here, this is the zone that's triggered. And here at 30.78, this is the trade that was given, and in the end the trade produced, well, it did go up in excess of 80 pips, that particular trade in the end. But obviously, as we always do, guys, we make sure that you move your stop loss to break even, and you're taking out part of your position around 40 to 50 pips in profit. So therefore guaranteeing yourself 40 to 50 pips. Obviously some clients might have been taking their profit out a little bit later than that. Again, a fantastic trade, a trade that was given there, and you can see triggering in on the zone and obviously reversing as said by the analysis. The next trade we had was the Aussie and the CAD trade, which obviously triggered this week. Now again, to show you those trades, I'm going to go to the beginning of the week, and we're going to have a look at the analysis that was given with the particular trades. As we can see, guys, look, if we come down to the analysis, let's go to firstly the Aussie dollar. Just being in here, I know I was showing you guys this last video, but you can see clear from the analysis, looking for the short at 75.35, and if you don't believe it there, it says it right there, how to trade the Aussie, 75.35. We also had the Canadian dollar. If we go to the Canadian dollar here, this was the long at 31.75. This is actually a BPC trade, okay? So if any of you guys that aren't aware, BPCs are your breakout, pullback and continuation trades. And if you guys are interested in learning more about that maybe you aren't clients, then please obviously just put your details through and give us a call, and we can have a chat to you about sort of the different type of trading strategies that we use here. Obviously this was the BPC trade, just in here, directional arrow, trade entry point C, 31.75 for a continuation on upwards. And both those trades triggered on the same day this week, being the Tuesday. Again, obviously this analysis I've showed you, this was for the 25th, so analysis was given a day prior to the trades actually triggering. So it gives you plenty of time to get your order placed. Yeah? If we go to the Aussie chart, and we come across to the Tuesday, which I believe was the 26th, yes it was, we can see this is where the trade triggered, just in here, at 75.35. Pretty much bang on the point there where we saw the reversal. And you can see producing in excess of about 110 pips on that particular trade. So, again guys, we do say moving your stop losses after 50 pips, taking part of your position out. I do know some clients that took a little bit more of their position out at 100 pips as well. So it's always an idea to take your profit along the way. Just in case the trade ever comes back on you, you've always made money from that particular trade. And there's absolutely no risk of you losing any because your stop loss is at break even. It's a fantastic way to money manage your trade. The next was the dollar CAD, and that was given as well. It was triggered on the Tuesday. So if we come to the Tuesday, guys, which again, the 26th, you see it was a long at 31.75, which was just here, triggering in, and in the end producing around 60 pips or so. Again, after 50 pips, guys, moving our stop loss to break even and taking part of the position out of that particular trade. So it's just a great way of managing the trade, and you can see the reason why we use that is, you can see pretty clearly there, is that if we hadn't have done that precaution, the trade would have come out and might have stopped you out if you hadn't taken that precaution. So it's very, very imperative that you always manage your trades correctly, and you're moving your stop losses as you should, and you're taking your profit out as you should. So in review, just on 3 trades this month, producing in excess of 150 to 200 pips. Now that's 3 trades. Imagine £10 a point, 150 quid. Sorry, one £1,500 to £2,000 at £10 a point. It's not too bad, is it, from 3 trades, guys? Yeah. So bear that in mind. If you're not a client and you're interested in looking at this analysis each and every day, because that's when it's published. It's published each and every morning, fresh analysis daily, for you to read through the morning, place your pending orders, and that's it, job done. If you're interested in this, what you got to do is click on book your free consultation. When you go to our website, just leave obviously your name, email and phone number, guys. It's a pretty standard procedure here. Well, obviously with a preferable date and time for us to give you a call to get things rocking and rolling for you. What will happen is on the consultation is a trader will give you a call, take you through the analysis, take you through the system that we have, and essentially if you like what you hear, then obviously we talk further. But thank you very much for your time, guys. I really appreciate that. I hope you all have a beautiful weekend, and I look forward to all speaking to you at the start of next month. Thank you.